Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today we have another IXO models. This is the Opel Kadett B Coupe Rallye from 1967, and it's a small little car and it looks fantastic. So let's get it out of this packaging and have a closer look. So this model has been sitting in their well, not in there, but the store I'm buying these from are not from my country, and I'm just realizing some stuff. Okay, and I'm buying these from a neighbor country, which is not Lithuania, but I forgot what's it called in English, sadly. So I'm sorry. But they have a 143 scale like model shop store. They have a physical shop which is pretty big, and but it's mostly all 143 scales, and that's where I got this one from. I've been seeing it sitting in the internet store for a year, I think, at least, or maybe more. I've been wanting it ever since, but just never got around because always something new comes out and just couldn't get it. And now some collectors we gathered up to make an order, and would you know it, I got, well, if you saw my previous video, I got the orange Camaro, which I've been wanting for the longest time also, and I've been wanting this one for a very long time also, so I finally got them. But in the same time, when I ordered these two, they had decided to add some more cars into the store. So I ended up getting one of the new ones also, which is very will be probably visible in the next week's video. And yeah, there we go, that comes off. So here's our Opel. There's your front details. You got lensed headlights, lensed fog lights. It says Kadett right there on the front. You have this matte finish stripes on the front. Separate windshield wipers. There is no window here. That's probably just so you can see the interior. Let's see what my camera does with this. Yeah, you got some air cooling vents there. There's a gear shifter, old-fashioned seats. Steering wheel looks very good. Little mirror right here. The colors are nice, very subtle, nothing too crazy. We have these like steely styled rims to it. So there's also Kadett in the back. You have a separate piece of the exhaust. As you can see, it's blacked out here, and then it just comes silver to the back there. Taillights look fine also. It looks a bit funky, but I haven't seen this car in real life, so I can't tell you if it's perfectly accurate, but IXO does very, very good models. I can't say anything bad. The price is very good also. It's not too expensive, at least not here. Can easily afford these. We have a bit of a wobbly tire for the back, which I think I can easily fix. Maybe not. I don't know. Something weird is going on with these tires, but by the looks of it at least. But from the outside it looks fine. From the inside they look weird, but they might probably need to be like that. So the base is plastic, as all of them do. You can easily also unscrew these, maybe modify if you really would want to do that. I don't really see the need, unless you want to add some, like, I don't know, like, since rally, supposedly like a rally car, add some flaps, maybe add some more like sponsors and stuff like that, but I don't see the need for that. I like it as it is. You also have the little Opel symbol right there, and also the Opel symbol on the back right there. So overall, I think it's a fantastic model. It's a roll test. Perfectly rolls. Has a bit of a wobble because, like I said, there was something weird with the back wheel. By the looks of it, yeah, I can see the axle is a little bit wobbly, but overall, I'm not going to play around with these. They're just going to collect dust. Probably, of course, not. I have them displayed in place where they don't collect dust. But yeah, you have the window on this side though, if you're wondering, and you're sitting on the left-hand drive side. So yeah, that is all I can give you on this model, and hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.